This is my review on the Well R2 Czechoslovakian Scorpion. So it comes in a plain box, which is a box with polystyrene in it and a gun. So in the box you get loading tube, unjamming and cleaning rod. You get 7.2 450 milliamp battery and the charger for that. You get a small pack of BBs. Don't use them. They're multicoloured. I wouldn't trust them. You get stick magazine. This is a 75 round magazine, and a drum magazine which holds approximately 370 rounds, filled by opening that and pouring the BBs in, then winding this round clockwise, and then you have the gun itself. So it's quite small. The lower receiver is all metal. The grip is ABS. The upper receiver is ABS. The rail mount is ABS. The barrel is metal. The stock is metal. The sights are all metal. That part is ABS. The charging levers are ABS. You have safe, semi, full auto. Yeah, mag release is here, and stock deploys by just pushing up, folding it over, and there's your stock. When the stock is not extended, when it's folded over the gun, it's not going to come off. It takes quite a lot of force to push it up. When it is extended, it's not as secure and has some wobble in it. But for the price, you can't really complain. The battery goes in here, in the grip, so you twist it, lift it out, put the battery in, the arrow points towards the front of the gun, all the way in, get the cover, put it in one side and press it down, because it's got a spring catch here and a solid catch here, and when you twist this it retracts the spring catch. It's got a nice weight to it, a nice feel to it. When I picked this up I was surprised. I expected it to be a light, cheap plastic thing. The FPS on this, the company says it's about 250. I haven't chronoed it, so I'll just go with what they say and hope they're telling the truth. So for the loading tube, you pour the BBs in here, put that end, this end, into the top of the mag where the BBs go in. Get the rod, the unjamming rod, and just push them down. And then into the gun it goes, semi or full auto, and away you go. It has quite a good trigger response and a very high rate of fire in full auto, which I was impressed with. For its FPS, you would expect it to be a close quarters gun or a secondary weapon, and the range on it for that is as you would expect. So 30 meters, which for a close quarters environment is perfect. You don't really need anything more than that. And that's it. Thanks for watching.